Hi, what's up, everybody? As I always show up every day, right here this evening, I truly want us to rub minds together. You know, in this Easter, I have bring something special that you truly gonna believe and learn from. Through the aspect of putting images together and incorporating text into it. To come out, uniquely, creatively. You know, as as my custom every day is to show you something that is very unique, uh, in a unique way that you would approach something that will come out, creatively when you are designing. Without further ado, let's get to it. What we are going to do, we are going to design a flyer for this Easter. We are you are in the season of Easter. Today is Friday, so I decided to just really come up with something, that we're gonna learn from. Let's go. So these are the two images that we are going to use for this project, and let's set page to A5. It's A5 flyer. Double click on this rectangular tool, as I always say. Then let's give it light cream. Now as this right now, we are going to create, something unique. you know Create your select your rectangular to drag, to drag an object on the drawing page. Then you convert it to curves, and use your shape tool just like that. Then you copy, then you go over to word to image together. So as this right now, let's use our shape tool to make it longer a bit. Then let's power clip this inside it. you know Before we power clip it, we are going to bitmap it. You go over to bitmap, then convert to bitmap. Okay, go over to effects, adjust, go to tone curve to give it a bit of in-depth. Can you see it's a bit, glossy? Good, I like that. Okay, let's power clip it inside power clip. Let me show you the simple way to power clip. You go over to objects, power clip, place into frame, then you click on the frame. Automatically snaps, bam. So press Alt to select the image to adjust it, from the inside. Can you see it? Adjust it a bit. Good. Let's make a copy of that image. Make a copy, drag it down, page it down, control page down your keyboard, bring this up here. Let's make a copy again, power clip downward, control page down. Let's align it. Then you go over, select the upper one, go over to shadow tool. Let's give it a shadow. Good. Let's make it 70. Good. 90, the darkness of it. Good. That's not okay. Let's make it 40. Good. Then make the darkness of it 100. Okay. Good. Then go over to objects, break shadow apart, select the whole thing, bring it up here. select the whole thing, bring it up here, reduce it a bit, then you twist the whole thing. Then let's group it, Ctrl G on your keyboard. As it's right now, let's bitmap it. Go over to bitmap, convert to bitmap. It's a Y. Good. Then you go over to this, adjust. Good. Okay. As this now, let's pack clip into the object. Then you drag it down. Good. Let's sample the gold parts. Good. Then blend the upper side. Good. Let's pack clip it on the inside. Then you adjust. Good. So this image, we are going to blend it on the background. Let's expand it. Then bitmap. Then you go over to object. No. Go over to bitmap, node, mode, then dual tone. Let's change this image to one color. Double click on this, edit. Let's make it this color. Okay, good. Then bitmap it. Then let's lens it. Choose your transparent tool. Then you go over to this place, uniform transparency. Good. Bitmap. Then blend it. Good. Bring it all up here. Then you pack clip on the inside the objects. Then you send to back onto page down. Can you see? Now let's let's design our test right now. Experience the power, the restoration power. So as this right now, we are going to break it apart. Ctrl K. Then you make your power bigger. You know, lay your emphasis on that power. Then you drag down, do all of these tests, and be creative about this, a theme, because that's the main thing that has to be prominent in what we are doing. Then you make this bigger, click on shape tool, reduce the space in between the text. Then you drag it all up. Good. Then you place your D here, make it big. Let's make the experience big as well, bolden it. Then you go over to your shape tool. Good. Experience. Then let's break the text apart. Ctrl K. press Ctrl key on your keyboard, automatically it separates the text. Convert this to curve, then select your shape tool, make an adjustment on this. Let's drag this point all up. Good. Then you drag this downward. Good. Let's change this to red. Bring it all up from here. Control page up from a keyboard. Let's group the whole thing from here. Group. Then you page this up. Control page up from your keyboard. Control page up from your keyboard. You press it, automatically it pops up. Then we give it a shadow. Good. Go back to objects, break, drop shadow. Then let's go over to select the group text, click on your shadow tool, give it a shadow. Now as this right now, we are going to make this 100, then this 50. Good. Then you go over to object, break desktop, break shadow apart. Then you bitmap the shadow, make a copy of the shadow, bitmap, make a shadow, make a copy of the shadow again, bitmap. Good. Then you go over to adjust tone, let's make it darker. Good. Okay, can you see the outcome? So as this right now, we're going to ungroup the whole thing. Then you go over, give it a shadow. I will give it gray color, and then you go over to your interactive field to drag it on this power. Make the middle, the middle of it white. Then the upper side gray. Good. The same thing goes on this. Goes on the whole thing from here. Good. Then page up this D. Control page up. Good. That's can you see the outcome of it? Good. Partly adjust this, make this bigger. Then let's adjust the rest of the text. Bring this down, make this bold, cause that's the time, date and time. Then the venue goes with it. Copy the name of the pastor separately. Center the whole thing. Good. Then you put it here. Make it bigger a bit. Good. center it within the flyer. Then let's make this name bigger, then lay emphasis on this a bit. Center, pull it down a bit. Good. Center. Then you paste the name of the church at the top of the flyer. Then let's give this is the theme. We'll write theme. Make it white. Your shape too. Good. Presents special Easter service. Ctrl K and bold that. Go over. Make this 12. Your shape tool. Good. Then make this bolder. Center it. Good. Here we come to the end of the tutorial. Thanks for following me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button in case I have something valuable showing up next. Bye for now.